Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna share with you how you can watch high quality or high resolution YouTube video from YouTube apps. Okay, sometime when we click YouTube video, then we'll get the video is low resolution, so we can't piece to watching this video. Okay, so if you want to watch a high quality YouTube video, then you can easily watch this type of video. Okay, so how can you do this? Just follow my step, then you will learn. So before the tutorial starts, you are requested to subscribe to this channel, and if you face any problem, then let me know in comment below. I'll show you the fix video in upcoming tutorials. Okay, so just comment below. So let's begin the tutorial. Okay, we need to go YouTube apps. Here you can see corner YouTube apps. Click on this and okay, play any video. Just go there. You can see icon here. Okay, I'm showing you the where you can go. This icon, your channel icon. Click on this, and here you can see your channel. I just show you clicking my video. Okay, this is my video. Okay, I just click this video, and here you can see the three dot line. Okay, so you can click any video, or if you want to watch any video, then you can click that video. Then after getting that video, then you have to you can get this type of interface. Okay, so after getting that video, you have to go here. Okay, you can see this three dot. Click on it, and here you can see the quality, right? Here you can see quality, so click on it, and here you can see the 4 option to recommended high picture quality, data saver, and advanced. So we have to go advanced mode. Always you have to go advanced mode, because when you click this option, then you will get all feature from this option. Okay, so when you click this, you can find all resolution. Okay, 7 to this video. So when you click this, you can get. Okay, so I just show you the another video. Okay, I just show you this one. Okay, so here you can see that if I show you, and again click on this, and here you can see quality, advanced. Okay, then you can see the 4 option, so you can choose the latest and above option. Okay, so it may be 1080 or 720 or 4K. So if you want to get more resolution, high resolution, then you have to select the above option. Okay friend, I hope this video was very helpful for you. So if you got any helpful video from this tutorial, please subscribe this channel and like the video, and let me know your opinion. Okay, so thank you for watching this tutorial. Have a nice day.